Now heat go fry you or rain go soak you today. Nigeria weather don't set. Ciao! Now Pidgin Vibez news, and this now your Pidgin Vibez daily weather report. Kano, Kaduna, Katsina, Kebbi, Sokoto, Zamfara, Jigawa, sun go high like NEPA bill. For weather, expect hot afternoon, small dusty breeze for evening. Borno, Yobe, Adamawa, Bauchi, Gombe, Taraba, morning cool small. But afternoon heat go rise sharp. No forget water for body. Abuja, Naija, Kwara, Kogi, Benue, Plateau, Nasarawa, balanced weather. Cloud cover go show face but rain chance low. Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Osun, Ondo, Ekiti, humidity ga high. Morning cloudy, slight afternoon sunshine, small rain fit fall for evening. Anambra, Enugu, Abia, Imo, Ebonyi, morning mist, afternoon sun, but rain fit surprise you later. Rivers, Delta, Bayelsa, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, Edo, heavy humidity. Rain likely for afternoon and night. Carry umbrella abeg. Abuja go dey partly cloudy. Evening breeze go sweet small. Temperature steady. Port Harcourt rain probability high. Thunder fit join. If you wash cloth, pray well. Kano go hop past gist for group chat. Afternoon temperature high. Avoid trekking under 2 p.m. sun. Enugu gets slight rain chance for late evening. Morning go calm and cool. Wind speed moderate across most states. Northern side go get dusty breeze. Southern side go humid steady. If you get asthma or heat sensitivity, try avoid direct afternoon sun. Drink water like say na contract. Nigeria weather no dey joke. 1 minute sunshine, next minute rainfall drama. So my people, make you shine your eye well. So before you comot house tomorrow, check here first.